When it comes to building attraction, there's no magic line or perfect formula that works for everyone. True connection is built on a foundation of authenticity, understanding, and mutual respect. However, there are specific ways of expressing yourself that can make a powerful impression and draw someone toward you naturally. In fact, there are certain things you can say that leave a lasting, positive impact, making you nearly irresistible. In this article, we'll explore 6 essential conversational strategies that go beyond superficial charm and create real connections. From showing confidence to sparking intrigue with a bit of mystery, these techniques can help you communicate in ways that make women feel valued, appreciated, and genuinely interested in getting to know you better. These aren't tricks, they're ways to let your best qualities shine through, creating meaningful interactions that leave a lasting impression. 1. Confidence shows through your words. Confidence is one of the most magnetic traits you can display, and it often shines through in how you express yourself. Confidence doesn't mean bragging or trying to prove yourself, it's simply a natural outcome of self-assurance. When you speak with confidence, it indicates that you're comfortable with who you are and that you're grounded in your beliefs and decisions. Women, and people in general, tend to be drawn to individuals who are sure of themselves, as it creates a sense of security and stability. How to show confidence in what you say. Speak clearly and concisely. Confident people don't rush through their words or over-explain. When you communicate with clarity, it gives the impression that you're sure of what you're saying and comfortable with silence or space in the conversation. Express your opinions boldly, but respectfully. It's important to have opinions and stand by them, even if others might disagree. This doesn't mean being argumentative. Instead, it's about being able to discuss what you believe without wavering or seeking validation. Avoid over-apologizing. If you're constantly apologizing for your opinions or small things that aren't really mistakes, it can come across as insecure. Be willing to say, "This is who I am," rather than asking for permission to be yourself. When you embody confidence in your words, women often perceive it as a sign that you're self-assured, independent, and capable, all qualities that are highly attractive. 2. Sincere compliments are powerful. Compliments are a simple way to make someone feel appreciated, but sincerity is key. A generic compliment like "you look beautiful" might come across as nice, but it doesn't feel unique or personal. When you pay a compliment that's genuine, it shows that you've noticed something specific about her and that you're attentive to details others might overlook. How to compliment sincerely. Focus on meaningful qualities. Instead of always focusing on looks, compliment her on qualities that define her personality or skills. For example, "I admire how passionate you are about your work. It's inspiring to see someone so dedicated." Be specific. A specific compliment shows that you're paying attention to her as an individual. Instead of saying, "You're funny," say, "I love how quick-witted you are. You always make me laugh with your unique sense of humor." Avoid overdoing it. Excessive compliments can feel disingenuous. Less is often more. A well-placed, sincere compliment has more impact than showering someone with praise. Women tend to appreciate compliments that recognize their inner qualities or the unique traits that make them special. This can create a genuine connection because it shows that you value more than just surface-level attributes. 3. Thoughtful, engaging questions spark interest. Asking thoughtful questions is an incredible way to build rapport and show that you're genuinely interested in her as a person. People generally feel valued when others take the time to learn more about them. When you ask engaging questions, you're opening a door to deeper conversation and signaling that you care about her thoughts, feelings, and experiences. How to ask engaging questions. Go beyond small talk. Start with a question that's deeper than "What do you do?" Try, "What inspired you to pursue your career?" or "What's a goal you're really excited about right now?" Ask for her perspective. Questions that invite her perspective or opinion can make her feel appreciated and heard. For example, "What's one book or movie that has had a major impact on your life?" or "If you could solve one world problem, what would it be and why?" Practice active listening. After asking a question, listen closely and respond thoughtfully to what she says. This shows that you're not just asking questions for the sake of it, but genuinely value her input. Women often appreciate when a man shows interest in their lives and opinions beyond superficial topics. Asking engaging questions can lead to meaningful conversations, creating a deeper connection and making her feel valued. 4. Humor lights up conversations. A good sense of humor is universally attractive, as it often indicates intelligence, quick thinking, and creativity. Humor can break the ice, relieve tension, and make interactions more enjoyable. It also shows that you don't take yourself too seriously and that you're comfortable enough to make light of situations, even challenging ones. How to use humor effectively. Keep it light and friendly. Aim for humor that's light-hearted and doesn't come at someone else's expense. Avoid sarcasm or negative humor that could be misinterpreted. Use self-deprecation in moderation. Making fun of yourself in a modest way can be endearing. For instance, if you fumble a word, you could laugh it off by saying, "Clearly, my brain and mouth haven't synced up yet today." Be observational. Observational humor, or finding humor in everyday situations, can be highly relatable and charming. Commenting on shared experiences or noticing funny details around you can add a touch of levity to the moment. Women are often drawn to people who can make them laugh because humor creates a relaxed, positive environment. When you make her smile, it helps build a stronger bond and creates lasting, enjoyable memories. 5. Shared values create deep bonds. One of the most significant factors in attraction is finding common ground in values and beliefs. When you express your values, it gives her insight into what's important to you, allowing her to connect with you on a deeper level. Shared values are often the foundation of meaningful relationships because they signal compatibility and mutual understanding. How to talk about values naturally. Share stories and experiences. Instead of simply stating, "I value honesty," share a story where honesty played a key role, such as a time when you had to make a difficult choice because it aligned with your values. Ask about her values. Questions like, "What's something you're really passionate about?" or "What's an experience that shaped your perspective?" can help reveal her values and beliefs in a natural way. 6. Subtle mystery keeps her intrigued. Don't reveal everything all at once. When you leave a bit to the imagination, it adds a layer of intrigue and keeps her wanting to learn more about you. A bit of mystery is often captivating and leaves her interested in finding out what makes you tick. Each of these reasons shows that being genuine, self-aware, and kind in what you say can have a profound impact on attraction.